Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cast the YouTube app to TV on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to connect to YouTube to TV through your Xiaomi device, what you need to do is first of all open YouTube. So let's do that. Let's skip that. And you can immediately here in the main menu of YouTube, you can press this button with the TV and Wi-Fi like icon. If you press on it, then you should be able to choose the device and connect with the TV. Of course, as long as the TV is connected or to the same Wi-Fi. If you cannot find your device, then most likely you need to do that. You need to connect to the same Wi-Fi. You can also use a link with TV code instead. Over here you can also see the instruction how to get a TV code. Now, another way to do that is still using the same option. However, if you open a video, then of course you still have, even YouTube is now showing me that, you still have this icon, but it might be moved a little bit to the left, for instance. But you can still press it in order to do that. And if you use full screen, then still you can find it over here in the top right corner. So if you press it, then you should be able to still choose the device, the TV, in order to connect to it. And if you don't see it, of course you might need to tap on the video in order to open the menu options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.